In this video, we're changing this headliner to something cool. This headliner is just a normal black M Sport headliner, and I can't wait to see the final product. This one is only a T20. This one then is also a T20, slightly longer. All you gotta do is disconnect this plug, and then you have the whole sun visor. Same again with these handles. I already took off this one. All you gotta do is remove the two clips there and there, and then pinch the metal clips, which are here. Pinch those on the inside, and then it pops out. I'm going to do the same for all four, and then we move on to taking down this light, and that panel. This sun visor is the one that I accidentally broke the light for the vanity mirror, so I need to be extra careful with that. But I also found out I wired my dash cam in that video to the boot, and when I wired it to the boot, I found out there was a constant live in that boot. So what I have to do is take that wire back out again, and I'm gonna fuse tap it, so that way I have it connected to a fuse basically that'll only power that when the car is on. I've also taken these out. They're the little vanity lights that come on. I took those out and then just unplugged this wire, and that's the same over on the driver's side. Just pop it out just like that, and then undo the wire, and then you're good. So now I popped off the front light, and all that's there to disconnect is this wire. All you gotta do is pinch in on both sides and then pop out the clip, and that's it. There's two metal clips that are there and there. So this is the unit that comes out from the dome light, right in the middle. This is where the pins are for that plug. It is the exact same plug as what's on the front. So this one just clips in right in there after the two metal clips come out in the front. At the back, you just pop off this plastic cover. That's the one for the brake light at the back when it goes up like that. So you just be careful and pop off the clips. Now they do need a bit of a tug before they come off. And again, you just take out that little power cable there, and then you've all the back. For here, all I'm doing is kind of jigging around the headliner in order just to bring it down. That is all. Be careful of this clip. This power is for the microphone when you're talking in the car. Taking the headliner out, we're just turning it sideways and bringing it out the back door. It's the easiest way. After that, we're just marking out the whole headliner. Instead of going through everything that's going on, I said to just show you the speed run. Now, so 800 dots are all on the headliner. So now next part, use the needle, pop a load of holes in it, and then section out the lights, and then start to feed all the lights in through the holes. So I have all the holes drilled on the headliner. Now the next thing is to actually divide the lights and start to feed them in, and then when I have that done, I can start to hot glue the back of them. But no, drilling in is easy. What I found out that it's a bit harder than to put the needle in as normal. So what I did was put the needle onto the drill and just blast away. Right, I'm gonna pause you there, because in the next clip I have skipped the whole part of putting in the lights and hot gluing them, because they took absolutely ages and I didn't want to put anyone through watching that. So I said, right, I'm going to jump straight to when the lights are actually done. From here, my brother gave me a hand bringing out the headliner and hold it up while I started to reattach everything. It's all literally just putting back everything the exact same way you took it off in the reverse order. Nothing complicated. In saying that, it did take quite a lot of time because it does take a little bit of finicking with the wires and all that, trying to put everything back and make sure everything goes back just the way it came out. So now that's the headliner installed. It took a long time. It took like 9 hours between feeding in the lights, gluing the lights, after drilling the holes, all this kind of jazz. So that's it for the lights. You can see that it does make a world of difference, and it is really, really cool when it's done. It's well worth the effort, it's well worth the time. I found a fuse that I wanted to use. I got the fuse tapped, put it on for the power, put it on for the earth, so every time I hit the ignition, all the lights come on. The Starlight headliner is a fantastic addition to Ariel, and I'm so happy with the result, and I can't wait to see what this project turns out to be in the end. I have so many big plans, and I hope you stay to watch the whole lot, and we'll see you in the next one.